Scratch Roomba Challenge Part 3. You can see this has been going for a while. Let's keep working on the behavior of the unicorn. We want it to bounce off of not just the edge, but also the centaur. Okay, so we're going to do a touching question, a sensor question. If you're touching the centaur, then what do? Well, you want to point away from the centaur first. So let's point toward it and then immediately turn around 180 degrees. Great. And then we're going to also put just a step forward at the end of that. Great. So something similar should happen if you're touching the robot, or I guess the beach ball in this case. You're going to run straight away from the beach ball. Let's also add, let's say something in that case. Animal cruelty. Okay. So now we have, all right, I think that's all we are going to need for the unicorn. So I'm just going to take this whole thing, copy, go over to the horse, paste, and I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, change pen size. You know what? You see how the thing is getting bigger and bigger and bigger? That's because I put the wrong block in. I said change by a certain amount. What I should have said was to set the size to a certain amount. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so the centaur, let me just, okay. Let me add one thing to the centaur code. When the space key is pressed, let's erase everything that the pen has drawn. Hey, that works. Okay, so now let's start thinking about how we would make this Roomba move a little better. All it's doing is turning 95 degrees. And you can see it's getting kind of stuck right now. And there are going to be parts that it misses. One thing that I have found, there are probably a lot of things that are going to make this cover more of the ground, and that's what I want you to try to do. But putting random number things in, oh hey, there you go. It's the unicorn's complaining. All right, so if we say, let's say we turn between a random number between 50 and 130 degrees to the right. So now there's some randomness in how the bot is moving. That very much might help. So yeah, so keep working on this. Put stuff in there, change the numbers around, and you can even make this move a lot faster. Let's make it go 0.01 so I can run, 0.01. So we run this. Yep, that works. So 100 cycles a second, that makes it go a lot faster. This allows us to test it a lot better. So what can we do? What can we do to this algorithm to make the Roomba smarter?